I'm going down here to feed my buddies. They're down here laying in the pasture. I go down here every once in a while, about every other day, and give them some corn. They love corn. They usually come running when they see me coming down through in the golf cart. I don't know whether they will or not. Yep, they're getting up. Here they come. Sally! Come on, Sally! Sally! Here they come. They're my buddies. Come on! Come on! Come on, Sally! You love your corn, don't you? Huh? That's it. Ollie gone. Ollie gone. Don't have no more. All gone. No. All gone. Them little characters got out a little over a month ago. Broke the fence down over here in the corner. They took off. They were out there. That's before they cut the corn down. Oh boy, they were sure trying to get them back. Whew. Well, that's my daily ritual for them guys. But okay, well, we'll go over, since we're doing videos like this, we'll go over here and show you what I did today, or yesterday. I didn't make it out yesterday. I was on a mission. So, it was kind of drizzly yesterday anyway, not a good day to be out. In the woods with camera gear. But there's my mission from yesterday. I had to get myself a log splitter. So, it's an older one, belt driven, almost a brand new motor on it. Runs good. So, that's what I did yesterday. Went and picked up that there. I just got it off the trailer a while ago. Well, that thing's heavy. Wow. But I got some wood up there I'm gonna bring down and split. My days of splitting by hand are over. So I got a couple trees up here in the woods since today's the last day of archery. I'm gonna go down there and get a couple trees more that are close to the stand that are dead. Today I'm gonna go hunting out by my niece, out in the larger woods. Rifle season's coming up, so I gotta go out and find myself a place to set up camp for the first day. So that's where I'll be going today. So stick with me. I'll see you in the woods. Hey everybody, yeah, I'm in the woods. Oh my, it's about 50 degrees out. I got heated up working on that doggone wood splitter. But I'm over here back at my niece's today. I don't know if this is really going to be a hunting trip or not, but I brought the crossbow. Today's the last day archery season in Pennsylvania, so I usually come out here and walk around, and what I'm doing is really I'm going to locate a spot to put up my buck camp, you know what I mean, for first day of rifle season. It's coming in about a week. But I'm going to go up here. There's a tree hut up here, top of the hill. I haven't been up to that for years. But this is what I was thinking about doing anyway. Just putting up my blind up here beside this hut if I couldn't get in the hut, because that hut's really falling apart. We'll get up here to it and see what condition it's in, I guess, and make a decision on that. But this is a good spot in here. I never shot a deer in this area. Never hunted this area much right here, really. My ladder stands over on the other side. There's a rub there. That's the first rub I've seen this year. I didn't dress too warm because I knew I'd be walking around, so very lightly dressed. I don't even have the bow cocked. Goes to show you my intentions, I guess. Huh? I don't know what's going on with the other camera there. It just keeps wanting to go off on me. I don't know, we'll look into it then. Till now, I'm going to use my GoPro hung around my neck. Yeah, I can see the stand, but I'll tell you, it is nice up here on this hill. You can see everything up here. I mean, it's a nice hollow in there you can just see. It's awesome, really. This might be the spot. I don't know. We'll see. Let me get over here to this hut. You can see the white there on it. We're getting as close to it. As we're getting close to it. There goes a deer right there going. There he goes. The doe. Yep. Well, I must be in the right spot. Where's Mr. Buck at now? The big doe. That was a big doe. Hut here's in a good spot, but boy, I'll tell you, it's just, I don't know, it's just There's no room in it. I don't know, I get claustrophobic in that thing every time I sit in it. Or when I did sit in it. I did sit there one year. I just get claustrophobic. There's just no room in it. Looks like somebody's been up here to it. Looks like a doe bed there. Deer bed. Something was laying there. Yeah, this isn't in good shape at all. She's starting to come apart. Yeah. Yeah, doors. I don't know where the door's at. The door's gone. The floor's out of it. Nope. Not me. Not me. But yeah, it's terrible. It's just terrible. Well, not me. Well, but this is a good spot. Well, if I could find a nice flat spot here for my blind, I think I just might do this right here. Yep. I think so. I'll give it a shot. I'll just keep it in mind though. All right, well, I'm gonna go get up to my ladder stand. It's way over there on that side. So I'm gonna go down over here and go over there to my other ladder stand. See what things look like over there. So I'll get back to you when I get over on that side. Well, made it over here to the other side. Headed up here to my ladder stand that I've had up here for years. And as you can see, this is a lot different than over on the other side. You don't see nothing in here unless it's right up on you. Well, there's a good sign there. Must be something in here, I guess. It might have, or it could have been from the one that the guy shot there on Tuesday, though. Who knows? Well, I see my ladder stands here. Still there yet. Still on the tree. I thought I took my netting off of there last year, but I guess I didn't. Still has the netting on it. That's good. It might have, or could have been from the one that the guy shot there. That means I don't have to bother with that if I decide to come up here. Well, I see the ladder stands here. Still there yet. Still on the tree. I thought I took my netting off of there last year, but I guess I didn't. Still has the netting on it. There it is. Still has the netting on it. That's cool. That means I don't have to bother with that. As much as the wind has been blowing up here, I would have thought that thing would have blew off of there. I know a couple of them that I put up there have. I ain't gonna climb up in there. Whoops, easy. But yeah, here it is. Looks like it ripped off a little bit over here. Still has the netting on it. That's cool. I think it'll last for another year though. That thing. It'll last this year. I mean, put another one up. I know a couple of them that I put up there have. Yeah, that's good enough for me if I decide to come over here. Well, let's walk over this way. I'm not going to walk out that way any further.
Looks like it ripped off a little bit over here.
And this way, other guys go out in there, so I don't even want to tempt myself going out there.
You gotta last for another
Sitting close by where they're going to be.
It'll last this year. I mean, put another one up. Yeah, that's good enough for me if I decide to come over
Just
here.
walk out here to the road.
Well, let's walk over
I
this
guess
way.
that's ain't a hunting trip today.
I'm not going to walk out that way.
I brought
any
Bo
further
along just in case on
there because
one that decides to stumble
where the other guys go
up
out
the
in
mirror.
there.
Doesn't want to.
I don't even want to
get out
tempt
on the
myself
road.
going out there. Sitting
You
close
can
by
shoot
where
it.
they're going to be.
There you go. That's going to happen.
We'll just walk out here to the road. I guess that's ain't a hunting trip today.
I'll go home and think about this for a week,
We'll go
a couple of days, where I want
One
to go.
decides to stumble up the mirror, doesn't want to
Uh-oh.
get out on the road.
Lost an
Shoot
arrow
it.
off my quiver. Oh, there it
Well,
lays.
so that's going to happen.
What was that there? I don't know what it is. Why them things keep coming off of there? Oh, look there. Underneath. You got a rub arrow underneath the tree.
But
I guess that arrow
think about this for a week.
dropped
couple
out of
days.
there
Where I want to go.
to make me think about where I'm going, I guess. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Well, let's pick that darn thing up.
Lost an arrow.
I don't know
off
what
my
it is. That
quiver.
thing just still
Oh,
not
there it lays.
them arrows in.
What was that there? I don't know what it is. Why them things keep coming off of there?
$33 a piece,
Right there. Underneath.
pretty much.
You got a rub arrow underneath
But
the
don't
tree.
want to lose one of these.
I guess that arrow dropped out of there to make me think about where I'm going again.
So, yeah, looks like one of the blades came loose there. Yeah, so I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose one of them. That's the second time that thing's come out of there this year. Whatever. Stick it in there and hope it don't come back out, I guess. Well, we got a rub there. Anyway, got a rub over there by the tree stand. We got a scrape down there on the other side where I was thinking about going. Decisions, huh? Gonna have to be a pretty big buck for me to shoot it anyway, but you just never know when one's gonna come out of here and get in your face and tempt you. I always liked it up here, though. I've seen lots of deer up here. I shot a couple of deer up here already. But I'm sure wherever I go, I'm going to be shooting something because I got these 4 doe tags that I got to get rid of. So I'm going to be shooting something. If I don't, Mom's going to spank me. Yeah. There's another rub. I'm gonna see it. Just seeing it right down here. There's another one. A couple of them. There's one. There's one. That's right in line. If you would walk straight down here, straight down, that's where that scrape's at. So maybe that buck is coming off of this side and going over to that side to get into the fields at night. Possibility. Oh, there's another one up here. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. He might be a nice buck. There's another one. Yep, he might just be a nice buck. If I sat in that ladder stand, and he's coming down through here at night or whatever, or any time during the day, I wouldn't see him from that ladder stand over there. But I would see him down there if I went on that other side, because you can really see good over there. I'll bet you that's probably where I'm going to be going. No doubt. But I'll think about it. I will think about it. Well, I think that's about as far as I'm going to go for today. That was a good walk for a 68-year-old guy. Get my exercise. Yep. Alright, yep, let's there's another rub there in that tree. There's one coming down through here somewhere. Yes, there is. So, yep. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut you guys off. I'm going to get myself the rest of the way down through here. And go back to the house, and maybe I'll split some wood today. I had to stop here and show you Elvis. Hey, Elvis. What's Elvis doing? Look, it's Elvis. What are you doing, Elvis? Huh? What are you doing, Elvis? Come here. Elvis, come on. What are you doing, Elvis? Huh? He's a good old boy. He's noisy, though, aren't you? Huh? You're a noisy little guy. Yes, you are. Huh? You're noisy. Aren't you going to talk? Huh? That's Elvis. He's been around here for about a month. He's a good old boy. He's just lonely. He's just a lonely old boy. Yeah, he needs a girlfriend. Don't you, huh? You need a girlfriend, don't you? Come here. Now, come here. Hey. Come on. He ain't gonna hurt you. Oh, he ain't gonna hurt you any. You're a good old boy. Huh? Alright, I'll let you alone. Go get a drink. Huh? That's Elvis. That's Elvis. He'll be around here for a while, I guess. I don't know. Who knows? Alright. Well, let's go home. We're done for the day, I guess. We're going to go chop wood. It's enough.